Euhomy Mini Fridge with Freezer. Mini fridges with up-to-date features are hard to come by these days. While the market is full of compact refrigerators, very few of them offer the same satisfaction as bigger versions do. Fortunately, Euhomy is doing something about this problem, and its latest mini fridge model is a perfect example of that. The refrigerator has most of the modern features that you will need, and its quality is excellent as well. You will find this product to be ideal for your room or small apartment. Of course, it is not as spacious as more giant refrigerators, but it does the trick for people who are on a budget. Its freezing capacity is as good as other top quality brands out there. Furthermore, its energy consumption is on the lower side, making it one of the best compact refrigerators in the market. What makes this product stand out is that it is more spacious than your average mini fridge. It also has door storage, something that you wouldn't expect from a refrigerator as small as this one. Features: freestanding mini fridge, bright LED lights, humidity control drawers, reversible fridge door. Pros: energy efficient, ideal for small kitchens, does not weigh much. Door shelves. Con: does not have an auto defrosting feature.